How are you, my friends? Wish you the best. This electric uncle hat wale from Multitech Education for you. So, my dear friends, आज जो मैं आपके लिए sorry, this video I have to make it in English. So, today I am producing how to get cash flow and the financial status of a solar power project, say 1 megawatt solar power project. We are going to do it so that automatically there is an Excel sheet of 6-7 pages. With the help of that, as much as big project, you can get the calculations of 25 years, inclusive of interest, losses, profit, DSCR, like this and that. I think someone is knocking door. Sorry, gentlemen. Something they are disturbing me. Actually, I am alone. If someone will knock, I have to go. Someone will call, I have to go. So like this and that, a lot of things in mind. And it happens so. It is normal. When in a family and you are working at home, so these things are normal. Just give me a minute only. I made this sheet for the abbreviations used in our this Excel sheet. So this I was searching for. Now it is in my hand. So I have to do certain things. What can I do? Here. Anyhow, so I think better we should move to the Excel sheet, right? It should not be like that. There is no way. Now okay. So just I will go to the Excel sheet now. That how to make cash flow and the calculations for the financial conditions as per the project cost, the interest, how much equity, 30 into 70 normally it is like that. That 30% client has to invest and 70% he got the loan from the bank or from anywhere on interest. So now what our client will get, the profit, loss, and how many years he has to return the payment. So like these things. the complete detail up to 25 years. That in 25th year, how much earning he will be having after the efficiency got reduced of the panels. And after 7.5 years, after paying the loan, how much he will get it so. So you can give a clear-cut picture in starting itself, before starting the project, right? And that Excel sheet link I have given in my video. When you will open the description, you will find that link. So you can make practice from that. But my dear friends, do one thing, that always make a copy of that Excel sheet. So I did mistakes before. Disturb the copy, original copy, then very difficult to get it rectified. This is formula based. On front page you will make changes. Later on, automatically all the sheets will be changed. I will show you how. So let us move to our Excel sheet. Here is the Excel sheet, right? If Hindi, English is spoken both, they can watch Hindi also, they can watch English also. English is spoken, they can go ahead with this English based cash flow and the calculations, financial calculations. So gentlemen, this is our Excel sheet. It is comprised of 7 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the front page. First sheet with the parameters. For example, this I made for Punjab when the rate was very high, 8 to 9 crore rupees per megawatt, and now it is 3 to 4 crore rupees per megawatt. Depends upon the quality of the material. So 50% rates has been cut down. So this sheet was made before 4-5 years before, and every project I used to give it like that. I have completed 350 megawatt, so I did it. So but now after a very long time, I am again playing with this Excel sheet. So gentlemen, this is the first page with parameters. All the parameters to be included, like this 1 megawatt system, plant load factor 21%, expected generation 18.40 megawatt, 18.40 lakhs unit, right? So all the expected things are there. Now just in Hindi I changed this. It was before 900, 890. So I changed it. I will make it little bit change. I will play with it. I will show you. And this is the equity 30% by the client, 70% finance on the interest of 12.50%, right? Then IRR comes to be 7.89 and post-tax project report IRR is 11.28. It is, you will find it here. You see the cursor. In this sheet you will find IRR, DSCR, and whatever you will make changes in the parameters, automatically they will be shown in these sheets. They will change by itself. You can make practice with this Excel sheet. Normally the engineers, they hide these things. They don't show Excel sheet to each other. But no, this is a free education platform. Open-heartedly, I am giving you this Excel sheet to play with it, learn it as per your project at present, or take an example. Fill up the rates, interest, right? And what government will give, book depreciation first 10 years, like this. Everything you will find in this sheet. And you see tariff till 2017. So it was 5-6 years before. So we have to change it. Suppose this project goes to 21 and 25 to 45 to 0, 20 and 25, 4, say 5. How many years? It is 21. So 20 plus 25. It's okay. It will do. So Like that now we can make it changes. Next page is project cost. When I will change in the parameters, the project cost, automatically here it will change. Plant, machinery and transmission line cost, civil line cost, land and infrastructure cost, interest during the construction period of 6 months, they used to give like that, preliminary and pre-operative expenses. So this automatically all will be adjusted. Then depreciation of the plant, tax calculations, all on this page you can find it out. Finance and loss up to 25 years. See, watch my cursor where it is moving. Now interest I can make it for 7.5 years and 6 months for the construction period. So we will take up to 8 years. This 8 years here it will come. After that gradually income will start increasing because the loan is being paid up to 8 years. After that net income will be with the client, but it will reduce up to 25 years due to the efficiency of the panels, which every year it decreases 2 to 3%. So in the last 25 years it reaches up to 10%, the losses, efficiency of the panels. And now this DSCR, IRR, see also for 25 years. See, so you are giving your client a clear picture of his profit and loss, investment, interest, everything before starting your project, right? Then these are the notes. You can make any type of things in it. APPC nowadays is not applicable. See, I was searching for this card. This is the average power purchase cost. So if you don't find these abbreviations, the meaning, you just go to the Google search, write it, and you will find the full form of these abbreviations. This is also I am telling you the way. Sometimes we forget. So now suppose here the project cost is coming 382, 550, right? Now I will change in the parameters. I will show with the example. Here we come in the parameters. First page, this is 1 megawatt, okay? You can make it 2 megawatt. Where is the yellow highlighted, there you make the changes. So cost will change accordingly. So you can make up to 100 megawatt with this sheet. Suppose I make change. See, let us see what happened. I will make it 2 megawatt, okay? 2 megawatt. You see, project cost, I will put 300 lakh, means 3 crore. 300 lakh, right? You see, above it has become 600 for 2 megawatt. Automatically it is going to be changed. 30% equity from the client, 12.5% I kept this interest rate, right? Then 6 months for the construction period, 7.5 years for the remaining years to pay back the loan. So total is 8 years. So here O&M expenses, I will reduce it up to 3 per year. So it changes automatically everything. Now the unit rate, how much you are getting, suppose rupees 3, you change this highlighted 3. Now what we will do, we will come to the project cost. We will see first, you see it has given 600 in 6 crore for 2 megawatt. Automatically everything is changed. 5 crore for the plant, machinery, transmission line, and civil and general works 72 lakhs. It always come to be 12%. You see, my cursor is here. It is showing assumed to be 12% of the total EPC price. So interest during construction period, preliminary and pre-operative, everything got changed. And similarly, here also it will change. Finance and losses, it will change. You see 8 years, 8, 8, 8, 8. This one. It is going in minus, right? Because we are paying more, generation is less, unit rate is less. So practically everything will be here. Then after, L is 10 years. 10 years, it will start moving towards the profit. Because what generation is coming, what the government is paying, you are paying loan. You can make this loan repayment in 10 years. So little profit will increase from the very beginning. And after, again you will be in loss due to the efficiency. So like this, the fact you can bring it out from this sheet. DSCR you have to improve. See, 9.81 minus 0.90. So some mistake is there in the parameters. We have kept this 3. 25 term of PPA, power purchase agreement. So you make changes, bring it towards the profit. How you will bring? You have to show it to the client. Pay tax equity, it is coming in minus. It should not come in the minus, right? So there is some difference. We will check 2 megawatt, 18.40 net expected generation. We have to change it. It will be double. So here we can make it 37. Generation also will be double for 2 megawatt. This is for 1 megawatt. So see, this is the mistake. Say 37. Okay. Now all the scenario will be changed. In the parameters, it was the mistake. Now you will see profit and loss. It has come towards positive side. You see the changes? Automatically, it did it so. In the last, profit will be less. But in starting, you see, after only 2-3 years will be in minus. And then it will gradually increase. See, after paying back the loan, now interest it is still showing payback back 10 years. We have kept it 7.5. So after the payment, this loan, it suddenly jumped here. So 57 lakh rupees per year. This is the income. And gradually it will increase, then start decreasing due to the efficiency of the panels. So like that. Now DSCR, ESR has come in the positive side. You see, IRR is positive side. So it is near about okay. Depreciation, tax calculation, everything, project cost, let us see, 613.13. Interest during construction, inclusive of that. So 13 lakh rupees is interest during construction. So all the details you can find it here. Just make changes. So take care of that Excel sheet. I have given the link in the description. Make the practice of it. And let us meet in our next video, which I will start with this megawatt designing work manually now. Before I did it with make a video with this PVCs. Now we will make it manually. How arrays to be designed, how many number of panels should come in one array. We will take an example of an inverter. Start with 1 megawatt, right? And multiple of that you can go ahead for 100 megawatt. So it's like that. So gentlemen, now I think for today it will be okay. If you can match Hindi and English, both the videos, watch it and just make practice of it. And always I request to you to subscribe and share it, because my main motto at this age of 67 years is to share my knowledge, and priority is the needy students, fresh engineers who are going to join the solar field. See, who are already in the solar field, they may know about everything. But I want to get it reached to the poor, you can say, or the under poverty line, the students. They should rise. It should reach to villages, towns, to get the benefit, for which I am trying to work hard. And just in Corona, I learned so many things. My son, they get me stopped, my family, not to work, just sit at home now. This is Corona. They are very soft-hearted. So I stopped all working 1 year, 1.5 years before. So then I cannot sit idle. So I just start making these videos. A free education platform I launched, so that whatever knowledge and experience, whether low, less or more, I should share it. My practical experience of life. So that is what I am doing. And really, I am enjoying it. My time is passing like anything. I feel very, very happy by doing this thing. The knowledge should not go with me. I should give it here. Even if 5 or 10 engineers will follow my videos, my motto is successful. They will learn from these. I am satisfied. So gentlemen, subscribe and share, and see you in the next video with the Megawatt project, AutoCAD based designing works, with an example of an inverter, that what are the things we have to decide before designing, and during designing, what care we have to take it so. So design the manually. So see you